Hey everyone, my name is Squeaky, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can very easily create a Twitch channel reward that your community can use that will force you to shoot your gun in a game. And in order to achieve this, we will be using Squiso. And if you don't know what Squiso is a free lightweight tool that lets you automate your Twitch stream using simple scripts. So I've already done an introduction video about Squiso down here, so feel free to check that out if you don't know what I'm talking about. But in this video, I'm going to assume that you have Squiso installed, so we're going to do this together step by step. And it will be probably a very short video because it is actually very easy to achieve. However, in order to do this example, I need a game, so for this video specifically, I've chosen to use Apex Legends. But before we start the game, we actually need to create the script. So I think I have an example here on the Squiso webpage here. So if I click on examples and I'm going to search on shoot, there is an example here called how to force the streamer to shoot their weapon using Twitch channel points. So this is an example script on how you can achieve this. So I'm just going to start up my Squiso application here, squiso.bat. Okay, so Squiso is now running. So I'm just going to create a brand new script here. And I'm going to call this shooting. Okay, so we have created our blank script here. What I'm going to do here is to basically just copy the example code from the web page into our script. So I'm just going to select all of this, copy and paste it in our own script here now, like this. And we're going to go through this together so you can actually see what's going on. So the first thing this script does is that it listens on all Twitch channel point redeems. Meaning every time someone redeems a reward in your channel, this code logic here will be executed. And as you can see, there are two blocks of code here. There are two if statements. So we're going to go through them together here now. The first one is that it checks that if the data reward name, meaning the channel point reward, equals shoot gun, then we're going to do this. And in the second if statement is that if the reward name equals throw grenade, we're going to do this. So shoot gun and throw grenade are basically two channel point rewards I've already created. So if I just show you my rewards here, you can see that I've already created these two rewards here. Okay, so the idea here is that if someone redeems shoot gun, then this code block will be executed. And what this does is that it will wait 5 seconds. And here you can see that it says mouse button left press 2000. So this will basically just hold down the left mouse button for 2 seconds. So it will simulate that on your computer. However, if the reward is throw grenade, then it will wait 5 seconds. We're going to press the G button here. We're going to wait 1 second. And then we're going to end with a simple left mouse button here. So this is our script. It's very basic. But as always, what we need to do here is to reload our script here so it actually gets loaded into the Squiso application. The next thing I'm going to do here is to just boot up Apex Legends. But before I start the game here, I just want to do a full disclaimer here is that I'm going to use Apex Legends only in an educational manner. So if you want to simulate mouse and keyboard buttons on your own, you need to make sure that the game allows it in their own terms of service. So if you want to do something similar here, make sure that you are allowed to do it. I won't be taking any responsibility if you're going to abuse this system somehow. Okay, let's start the game. Okay, as you can see, I've loaded up Apex Legends here in a window to my right here, and beneath my video here I still have my Twitch chat open with all my rewards. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to run around here now, then I'm going to redeem shoot gun and continue to run around, and let's see what happens. And I just want to remind you here that in the beginning of the script, if you remember, we added a 5-second delay, so I have time to actually swap around these windows. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to redeem shoot gun, and in 5 seconds I will be shooting my gun automatically. So as you can see, I didn't shoot my gun at all. So Squiso simulated a mouse left press for 2 seconds. So let's try that again. Shoot gun. Awesome, okay, that works. So let's try the more complicated example by throwing a grenade. And if you remember what the script said, it said that we're going to wait 5 seconds, press the G button, wait 1 more second, and then we're going to do a simple left mouse button click. I'm going to redeem throw grenade. I'm going to run around. I press G.
Arc start out.
And it automatically threw that grenade. But before I end this video here, let's change things up here. So as you can see, I have my ultimate up and running here, my Z here. So let's change the script to actually throw my ultimate to instead. So I'm just going to tab to Squiso. So I'm just going to change this to the Z key instead. I'm going to reload, and then I'm just going to go back into the game. Okay. Throw grenade.
Already on my mark, firing for effect.
That's pretty awesome. And that's basically all I wanted to show in this very quick video, how you can very easily create a script that will simulate keyboard and mouse presses. And that will allow you to create a Twitch channel point reward that will force you to do very stupid things in games. So if you thought that this was very easy to follow, feel free to download Squiso. It is a free tool, so everything I showed here is totally free to use. If you have any problems or comments, feel free to jump into the Discord. There are hundreds of people there already. And with that, I just want to wish you a great continued day.